Next speaker is Mr. Karan Adani. Karan, before you speak, I would like to put you on the spot. Eric announced a $10 billion investment in Hyderabad. Will you meet it or beat it?
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Revant Reddy Garu, respected ministers on the dais, distinguished guests, partners and friends. It is an absolute privilege to join you at the Global Telangana Rising Summit, a platform that reflects the ambition and confidence with which Telangana is shaping its future. Under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Telangana is experiencing a clarity of vision and purpose that is rare in Indian public life. Sir, your focus on transparent governance, rapid decision making, and long-term economic planning has created an environment where industries like ours can think boldly and invest with confidence. What stands out most is your commitment to building a state that is not just growing, but growing with quality, where innovation, sustainability, talent development, and global competitiveness go hand in hand. Over the last few years, the Adani Group has forged a strong and growing relationship with the state of Telangana. In line with our earlier commitments, we have initiated investments in sectors such as defense manufacturing, green data center, renewable energy projects, and cement manufacturing facilities across the state. With a goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Adani Group has developed a leading defense and aerospace park in Hyderabad. This state-of-the-art facility is the first UAV manufacturing facility in the country where long-endurance UAVs are manufactured. The UAVs manufactured in these facilities is supplied to both the Indian Armed Forces and also cater to the global market. Today, it provides direct employment to more than 1,500 youths and support many more livelihoods through its wider ecosystem. In the area of digital infrastructure, the Adani Group is setting up a 48 megawatt green data center in Telangana with an investment of 2,500 crores. This facility will be at the forefront of cutting-edge AI, cloud technology, and high-performance computing, and will play a crucial role in meeting the needs of rapidly digitizing India. In the last few years, Telangana has witnessed tremendous growth in capital infrastructure and logistics infrastructure. The Adani Group has played an important role in building roads infrastructure that connects different parts of the state, making logistics more efficient and positioning Telangana at the forefront of logistics gateway. With a total investment of 4,000 crores in road infrastructure, the Adani Group has built over 100 kilometers of highways connecting key districts such as Mancherial, Suryapet, Kodad and Khammam. To support Telangana's rapid infrastructure growth, Adani Cement has invested over 2,000 crores to establish state-of-the-art cement manufacturing facilities at Ganeshpad, Tandur, Devapur with a combined capacity of 7 million tons per annum. In total, the group has so far invested nearly 10,000 crores in the last 3 years in building state infrastructure and manufacturing facilities, and has contributed to employment generation of more than 7,000 people. As I close, I would once again like to express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Revant Reddy ji, and the Government of Telangana for the visionary leadership and unwavering support. And we look forward to doing many more projects in the state. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Karan.